Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to install List Copier in SharePoint Online using the SPFX version or the SPPKG package. First of all, you need to make sure that you have admin permissions. If you don't, maybe you have SharePoint admin permissions, that's enough too. But in any case, you need to find your way to the SharePoint Admin Center, more features, the apps, and once you're in the app catalog here, you upload the SPPK file that you've downloaded from the kalmstrom.com website, and then you get to decide whether it should be deployed to all sites automatically or manually to each site where you want to use it. I'm going to do the secondary there, so only enable the app, so that means that it's available for all the sites, but you need to actually install it on all the sites. So let's do that. Let's go back to my demo site here, go to Site Contents and find View, and then you go to App, and there you find among the From My Organization, there you have List Copier right there. Then you upgrade that if you already have it. Now I've had it on my site before, otherwise it would just say Add, but that's the same principle. So after a few seconds, it's available here now in my site contents. It's grayed out, but that's how it's supposed to be. Now you can go into your list, and there's the List Copier button there, and you can start copying your list. So in short, the steps are: find your way via the 365 Admin Center to the SharePoint Admin Center, more features, apps, and then you deploy it in the app catalog and enable it for all sites or just for the ones you need to use it for. So that concludes this demo on how to install the SPFX edition of List Copier in SharePoint Online. Thank you for watching.